Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been such a long time, probably 12, 15, 18 months since I've last did a video. I don't know where to begin. First of all, I hope you guys are all safe, well, healthy during the difficult times of the pandemic. And like I said, I don't know where to start. I got married, as most of you do know, moved house. This is obviously a new bedroom. And I just want to take time out really to enjoy this new chapter in my life. So much has changed. You guys have always known me to have like blonde, brunette hair. For my wedding I went all black, gone back to brunette, blonde, lost 2 stones, put on a stone. I've had really bad backache, so I just kind of wanted to take a big sort of break really. YouTube does take a lot of your time, especially if it's not your full-time career, and I just didn't think I could give the quality videos that you guys perhaps wanted. My focus wasn't just there. Planning a wedding takes so much out of your sort of time and your energy as well, and moving houses and so on. Just really wanted to take a break and enjoy this new chapter with my husband as well. But I guess I'm back and I'll be planning and making loads of new videos. So if you guys have any suggestions on what you'd like to see next, then do leave a comment below. If you guys have been one of my previous followers and have to see me back, do give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share my video. Today's video will be a quick and easy one. I will be showing you guys how to contour your face, do blusher, how to highlight. I did my lips in this video. I did just a lip gloss and lip liner, and to be honest it was quite easy. I used this palette that I picked up from TK Maxx. It's got everything in there: highlighter, blusher, bronzer. It's one of my favorite ones. I've been using this for a year now. So I'll show you guys the tutorial that I did. So guys, I've already done my base, my eyeshadow, my eyebrows and so on. So all I've got left to do is my contouring, blusher and highlight, and then my lips. I just want to show you guys a really quick and easy way to do it. I'm currently loving and using this palette from Becca. It's the Khloe and Malika collaboration. It's this one here, and here are the shades. So you get a highlighter, 2 blushes and then a bronzer. I got this from TK Maxx at outlet price, and I really would recommend it if anybody looking for like everything in one kind of thing. So I'm going to start off by contouring. I'm going to go in with the usual areas. I always do my temple, a little bit on my nose, my forehead and then my chin. And a tip to share with you guys, this is really random, but I've been using my brush upside down. So instead of doing it this way, I've been doing it this way. I feel like it gets into those areas a little bit better. So I just buff this in really lightly and going in circular motions. I'm not one for cream contouring. I think I've said this in my previous videos, and just within a few seconds, I don't know if you can tell, but this looks a bit more chiseled than that side now. So just going to do my chin. There you go. It makes me look a stone lighter already. And I always just dab in. I don't always kind of keep swirling it around. So you don't want too much product, and then you're going to look like an orange basically. So again, just circular motions. Obviously you focus on the areas you want to enhance. And then finally, just my nose. And a little bit underneath your lips if you want like a bigger bottom lip. And then moving on to blusher. Out of the two, I personally prefer this one here. This one I go in circular motions. And I just apply it onto the apple of my cheeks. I like to press this one in. This one's not too pigmented, so you can go in with a couple of applications. And finally for highlighter, I'm just going to pick up the shade Yes Girl, and it's that one there. So obviously go with more applications if you want a more highlighted look. And then just a little bit on my upper lip and then on the tip of my nose. I'm going to use a lip gloss from NYX. This is one of my favourites, and it's Strawberry Cheesecake. And then this one lip liner that I've been using for years. It's in all of my YouTube videos. I just don't think I can find anything that compares to this. I don't even have the shade on here. It's literally all rubbed off. But I'm sure it's in my previous videos if you guys have a look. So I'm just going to line my lips. And that's it. It literally took me 5 minutes to contour, blush, highlight my entire face, and then apply my lips. And then apply my lips, my lip gloss and lip pencil. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. I've literally highlighted and contoured, put blusher on, did my lips and lip liner all within the space of under 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new today, please subscribe to my channel. If you have been a previous follower, I so appreciate you sticking with me even though I've not uploaded any videos in such a long time. Leave some suggestions below in terms of what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video.